Power's out. Status check. Whimpers? Easy, Lucky. Just a glitch. Sound of reaching for equipment? Let's see what we've got.
I hear nothing. Huh? Let's try the breaker.
Not that one.
Right.
Moving to the next row. God, that's freezing. Something is seriously wrong with the temperature. I need to get to the main rack. You got it, Lucky. Stay on it. It's moving through the structure. The wall is pulling current. Something outside is drawing it. Oh, copy that. Moving to comms now. Trying to dial it in. Almost there.
Yeah.
Got it. Signal lock. Isolation initiated. It's stable. Main breaker down. Why is it still pulsing? Check exterior conduit.
The repair will require an exterior inspection. Panting sounds.
Come on, Lucky, just a little further. Good boy. Listen, it's okay. Secure the corner.
I have to conserve air. Achoo! Just a little, Lucky. Just a little.
Okay, check the line. Flashing, boss. Matches the pattern. Give it a reset. 1, 2. Three. You hear that? That's not the external comms. Rough. Rough. Suit up, Lucky. Now.
Condensation. The temp is dropping fast. Check the seal.
Line feels good. Just a little stick there. Secured. I have to go, Lucky. Take care of the place.
Whimper. Power's failing. The cycle is uneven. Hold on! It's shaking too hard. The ground has shifted since the last daylight route. The storm must have dragged the line towards sharp rock. I see it, following the exposed curve.
Found it. It's pulled tight right here. Copy that. Assess the tension.
False signal confirmed. Electrical leakage at the breach point. Stand by for repair.
The panel is too heavy. The line is pinned. Acknowledged. We'll try something else. No, the cable. Tension. Status? Failure. Repair is survival. Pull me up.
Almost there, hang on. Slipping. Damn it! Got it, get away from the edge. Breathe, breathe.
Cable secured. Ground contact broken. Attaching to panel.
The panel is bending too much. This anchor won't hold. I need to find something stronger now.
The footing is loose but holding. It wasn't the main failure.
Copy that. Proceed to the cable route.
I can't cut it. Too much is lost if I do. We need more time. The blink changed. Spaced pulses. Pressure's rising. Slowly. Need it higher. Gee, just a little more. Equalized.
All right, Lucky, gotcha. Hang on.
Wind to the power rack. Move! All right, air is online. Now for the heat. Initiating temperature recalibration. All right, heat halfway. No change. Still critical. Water protection minimal. This has to hold. The line is stable now. It should hold until morning. Thank you, Aiden. We have a new assignment. All right, now we wait. Power stabilized. Tuning incoming.
The pulse is different. It's stable. Copy that, Aiden. Status is stable.
Quiet, Lucky. Listen. There. Uneven spacing.
The signal isn't carrying. We're safe here. Good. Let's move on.
The signal is forming a rhythm. I think I'm hearing someone. Okay, initiating reply sequence now. Still nothing.
Let's wait.
Just one pulse. The signal may be external. All right, just a bit more. Come on, hold. I'm getting something. Stay with it. Still nothing. Whimpers. Transmission complete. Life support just dipped. We can't do that again. The vibration is gone. Looks like the cable repair is holding. Now, let's see if the environment is stabilizing.